Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will be showing you how to fake phone location in your any application you want 2023 version. So, first of all guys, I will need you to grab your phones. It doesn't matter if it is iOS or Android. And next thing I want you to do is simply go to your settings in your mobile. So, in my iOS mobile, I will just have to go to settings from here and simply go, for example, to any application. So let's go for an application down below. Let's choose, for example, here, let's choose, for example, Reddit. And here it doesn't have actually location. So let's choose another one like WhatsApp. All right, let's go for WhatsApp then. So let's search for it. Here we go. Search WhatsApp, and here it is. So let's click on it. Now, as you can see, there is like multiple options in here: location, context, photos, local network, etc. So how can I actually fake location in WhatsApp? So I'm just going to click here, for example, location always, and here you can see this precise location. So this precise location, just turn it off, and basically it will this precise location allows application to use a specific location. With this setting off, application can only determine your approximate location, so you will not be exactly where you are. So they will just show them approximately where you can be. So that's how you can fake your actual location in your mobile. So simply, once more, you can use it in any other application. You don't really have to use it on WhatsApp. You can use it on any application that use location, for example Google Chrome. Same thing. While using the app here, use this precise location and turn it off. Of course, you can use it with any other location. So guys, that was it for today's video. If you enjoyed, please leave a like, and thank you guys for watching.